Hello everyone, today we will see how we will use the k-means clustering using the Hamming distance on the weather data. So here is the weather data in which we have the values of outlook, temperature, humidity, windy and play. In outlook we have sunny, overcast and rainy, three options, and in temperature we have hot, mild or cold, and in humidity we have high or normal, and in windy we have true or false, and we have at the last we have the label of the data, or we can say class of the data, in which we say that either to play or not in the given weather conditions. So in k-means we using the Hamming distance we see that if we have any instance, like if we have instance to be sunny and temperature is hot and humidity is high and the windy is true, then why then do we see that what should be the decision, that either we should play or not. So we will determine the decision on this cell of Excel sheet, and the Hamming distance is if the given distance is matching the dataset value, then we will say that match. If it is matching, we will say that distance is 0, and if it is not matching, we will say that distance is 1. So we will determine the distances in this table for every case, including outlook, temperature, humidity and windy, and at the end we will make the total distances over here. So in case of outlook, we will use the formula that if we have instance is equal to the given data set, we will return 0, else we will return 1. And to fix this value to be the same, we will use $sign over here, and you can see that we got 1 when we have different values than sunny, and 0 and when we have sunny. So similarly, if we scroll to the right and then down for all the values of the given data, we will find that the matching values with the instance will have 0 and the other values will have the 1. Now we will add the distances in all the 4 cases for the particular instance, and we can see that the lowest distance is the second case, and our decision will be we can have this formula that I have already copied from somewhere else before I have practiced it. So we can have this formula in which we will see this index in which minimum value is occurring, and we will pick that value and we will show that value here. So now if we change the instance to be mild, and then we will see the minimum value is 1 and the decision corresponding to the minimum value or minimum distance is no, and that we don't need to play that day. So in case of humidity to be high. The decision also was the decision to be the high, no. And in case of normal humidity, we can have the same decision, which is no. In this case, we have two minimum values, one over here and one over here, and it is picking the first minimum value, and this is returning us no. Similarly, if we change windy condition to be false, then we see the decision is no, still no, because we have minimum value on this place and on this place and this place too, but first minimum value is being taken. So this is one example of using k-means with the help of Hamming distance. So this is it for now. Thank you.